All right, y'all, today's challenge, I want to see if I can go schedule a shout out on Instagram with an influencer and see if we can bring in some sales to promote a ClickBank product. Now, if I don't end up getting no sales after like 24 hours or whatever, I'm gonna be giving away one copy of my Instagram influencer marketing course to one lucky person. And to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is one, watch this video to the end, man. Let me skip it through. Just let it play, watch, you're gonna get some value anyway. Number two, leave a like. And then number three, comment anything down below along with your email address. And if I don't end up, getting any sales, I'm gonna be sending whoever it is access to the course within 24 to 48 hours. And yeah, that's pretty much that. So stay tuned to the end, man. It's gonna be an interesting challenge. I haven't promoted anything in the last couple days, so this should be interesting to see if we can pull some sales off. Let's get started. All right, so I'm on ClickBank right now. I already know what offer and what niche I want to go into, and yeah, so the offer that I'm be going into is inside the spirituality manifestation niche. So I go down to the marketplace, scroll to spirituality, click on it, and show you the product I'm gonna use. Where is it? So manifestation, not this one. It's this one right here. New Astro Tarot offer, blah blah blah. Open this in a new tab and check out the affiliate page. You can see this product has an initial conversion of $21.26, gravity 157. And this is the landing page to it, so it's a free reading. Now, promoting this offer in the past, some influencers don't like reading offers and stuff like that, so I'll be having to reach out to a lot of different influencers to get some up. But you can see they click the card, just click the two random ones. They enter their name, their email, their birthday, and then send my astro reading. So after they do that, they get sent the email, and from the email, they'll go and purchase the full reading, I guess. I ain't go through the whole thing myself, so that's why I'm saying that. But there's the affiliate resource section. They got email swipes and all that stuff. And if you want 90%, apply below to get whitelisted. I'm really just trying to look at the other. All right, so they got email swipes you can use. I'm gonna import those into my account. They got banners right here, and they got product images that you can go use. I don't think I'm gonna be using it. Oops, page done broke down. I don't know, but that's that. This is the offer that we're gonna be running with. I actually promoted this in the past, so I kind of got the edge on this challenge. But what I'm about to do is go ahead and create a landing page for this offer. Well, I already created the landing page. I'm about to just recreate one with the email opt-in to it. So I'll be right back with y'all in about a few minutes. All right, so it's been about 5-10 minutes since I last checked in with y'all, and I created the landing page. I had already made the landing page for this offer, but I wasn't collecting email addresses before. So this time, I'll be collecting email addresses and seeing if I could pull in some sales. So if it's not today, maybe tomorrow or day after or something like that, I imported the email followers they recommended in the affiliate resource area. So we locked and loaded, man. I think I'm gonna get a high click-through rate or opt-in rate on this page because it's very simple, straight to the point. It's not giving them a lot of things to do. You either enter your email to get your free tarot reading or you Xing off. So here it is, free Astro Tarot reading. Unlike the answers you see, enter your name here. So just J. Put one of my backup email addresses, gmail.com. Get your free tarot reading. Should go straight to the offer. All right, so I set it up right. It's going straight to the offer. Everything is working properly. Now, next thing I need to do is actually go on Instagram and find some influencers to go and, schedule a shout out real quick. So after I get done doing that, I'm gonna basically just schedule the shout outs and, pretty much just get back with y'all by the end of today or tomorrow to see if I can go ahead and make some sales with this. But yeah, man, that's pretty much all I got for this right now, and I will check back in with y'all once the shout outs is done. So it's been some hours since I last checked in with y'all. I kind of just took a nap and was playing Call of Duty for a second, and I actually scheduled one promotion with an influencer. I ended up paying him, I think it was about $45 or $65. Can't remember the exact number, but I'm gonna go to my DMs right now just to show y'all. Where is it? The Enlightened Core. I paid him, as you can see. I sent him my ad information, blah, blah, blah. He said, okay, we'll post in an hour. Post and story done. Post and story and link in bio done. So let's go check out his page. See, as you can see, got my ad copy right here. Free Astro Tarot readings, click the link in bio. And this is my link to the Astro Tarot readings right here. So click the link in the bio just to show y'all he actually posted this. This page has about 253,000 followers on it. If I go ahead and check the stats from my ClickFunnels, just to show you how many clicks and stuff got to the page, this ad only got 37 likes to it. So let's see how many people actually made it to the actual landing page. So told y'all I sent a lot of traffic to it before, so that's why the numbers is crazy like that. But going to December 20th, which is today, I'll show y'all the stats. So we got 97 clicks to offer. So even though the ad itself got 37 likes to it, we got 97 clicks to the actual landing page and a 66% opt-in rate. So that's a very, very good, because industry standard is like 30% opt-in rate, 20-30%. So to get almost 70% on the opt-in page is pretty damn good, I must say. I just wanted to show y'all the clicks is actually coming through to the offer. It's only been about, I want to say somewhere between 6 to 8 hours. I don't know how long that nap was I just took, but I think it was about 6 hours last time I checked with y'all. Now what I want to do is pretty much log into my ClickBank account to show y'all the results that we got so far. So we log into my account right now. Let's go to ClickBank, click on login, show y'all this is live proof. Boom, 1492. We not in profit yet, which is why I really didn't want to upload this too fast. But I mean, sales are sales, man. That was pretty much a challenge to see if I can get some sales out of this. But I think, being that I posted this ad, let me go back to my messages. Let's see. That was 7 hours ago. He said post and story link in bio is done, and we already got one sale from it. So we still got what's 7 minus 24? What's that, like 17, 18 hours left of the day, or left of the post before he takes it down, and we already got $15. Now, $15 more sales, we break even, because I paid $45 for the shout out. 3 more sales, no, 2 more sales, we break even, and then anything after that is pure profit. So I'm liking what we got so far. And if I click to look at the sale, you can see we ended up getting that sale around this military time. So it's about 1:34 in the afternoon. This is the AstroTerra offer to show y'all I'm actually promoting this. Let's see, one sale, and he's from New York. I'm in Michigan right now, so I couldn't even make this up if I wanted to. And yeah, it's only been about 7 hours since he posted that Instagram ad, and we already got the sale, man. So challenge completed, man. We're not in profit yet, which I probably should have waited about 24 hours just to see if we could have actually made a profit, but that wasn't the challenge, man. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this challenge. If y'all want me to do more videos like this, leave a like, leave a comment so I can know to make more videos like this. Get instant access to my Instagram influencer marketing course. Depending on the time you're watching this video, it's either gonna be the waiting list link in the description, or it's actually gonna be live. So the course is dropping January 1st. If it's any time after that, the course is already live, and you can just go, you get access to it. Like I said, I scheduled this one shout out in 7 hours. We already got a sale. So yeah, man, this is a pretty fun challenge for me. I kind of figured it was gonna work because I already promoted this before, and it's just like a good money maker for me. And this is actually a done for you campaign inside the course. It's actually done for you campaign number 3. Yep, done for you campaign number 3. You can go promote this. The same ad copy I use, the same captions, the same landing page. You get all that stuff for free as a member. So definitely go and do that. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn on post notifications, all that good stuff, and leave a comment down below. I'm replying to everybody. And yeah, man, that's pretty much all I got for this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.